Welcome everybody, Dr. Thor here. Another fascinating pendulum or dowsing tool. This is called the Kreskin Krystal. It's a beautiful lucite square, approximately 3 inches by 3 inches, about 2 inches deep. These were manufactured by 3M, so it's a beautiful little lucite picture. I don't know if you can see it well or not. Let me take this mat away and see. More tripod problems. Okay. I don't know if you can see that better or worse. And on one side, get it up here closer, you see there's, and this is basically a pendulum, something you could put on your desk or something. Kind of cool. It's from the early 1970s. It says yes and no. And on the other side, it has buy. I don't know if you can see that. Buy and sell. So this was geared towards the actual stock market in terms of giving you assist there. And it comes with a little booklet. It's called the Kreskin Krystal. This is when Kreskin was really into psychic powers and when it was possible and when it was popular. And he was one of the first people to jump on the actual he had a little ESP Institute and was very big into mind power and other things. This kind of faded away with his mind power rhetoric. We have these little trays that you can actually plug these into for that we were going to offer and may offer again in the future. These are kind of little trays that you then can plug into your radionic device. So if you wanted to use this for dial settings and other things, you could plug this into your radionic machine. The Kreskin Krystal just comes with this nice little loose, and this is really nice. It comes with this pendulum as well, which I use all the time. I don't know why I find this very accurate. It's just a round ball made of lucite, which basically is just a type of plastic. But it fits in here, so if you want to keep this somewhere on your desk or somewhere you can access it, you actually have a holder for your pendulum, which is kind of cool. As I said, this was made by 3M, gives you some instructions on how to use this in general, and just another classic tool. These are available relatively commonly, so you can check the links below if we have one or can send you someplace to get one. And we may have something in inventory as well. So do check that out and check the links below. As usual, like and subscribe. And it's always great to see these vintage items. I hope people appreciate what is made out there and the amazing views that we're giving people of everything. I mean, we're the only one that actually goes in and shows you these classic tools and how things were so different not that long ago. Until next time.